Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is A. Sahana. I am studying in 5th standard. I am a marigold flower. Marigold is a beautiful flower. The scientific name of Tagates. It blooms in winter season. It blooms in winter season. It is a popular flower in our country. It is found in yellow, orange and red color. It has more petals. Marigold flowers are used for perfume and cosmetic. Marigold flowers are used for decoration. Marigold flower is my favorite flower. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.